Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete a part of a video in Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, brand kit, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you can create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. And then after you click on create a video, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, I'm going to add the video by clicking on import media. Then you can choose your video right here from your computer. So I'm going to choose this one, click on open. And as you can see guys, the video is added. So once your video is added right here, you can either drag it to the timeline or you can just click on the plus icon right here. And then as you can see guys, the video is added. So basically guys, once you add the video, if you want to delete a part of it, it's pretty easy. Just go to the part you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this part here in the last. Go to the beginning of the part, and then you can just click on this icon right here, which is the scissor icon to split the video. And then once you click on split, as you can see guys, the video is split to two parts. So once you split your video, you can just go to the part you want to delete and then just click on delete right here, or you can click on the delete key on your keyboard. So I'm going to click on delete, and as you can see guys, the part we wanted to remove is deleted. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.